Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Ty with another new bullish crypto analysis. Before we dig in, remember if this video has value for you, smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and leave some comments in the YouTube comment section. Appreciate your time. Let's dig in and take a look at the 8-hourly chart and trading view for Bitcoin. We haven't seen this in a bit, so let's review what took place in the past. Bitcoin was in this horizontal channel for a bit. Let me get my highlighter on so you can see it better. Okay, so it was in this horizontal channel, and then it broke up above it. So what we can do now is erase that. And then it was trapped in this, it was also trapped in this bear flag resistance. It broke above the resistance line with this move here. So let's eliminate that. We're just gonna hide it instead of eliminate it. So currently what it's doing is it's trending up in this area. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8-hour period, it's been pretty much going sideways, a little bit some choppiness, and it's also trapped inside this newly formed ascending triangle right here. So here's the top of the triangle, here's the bottom side. The top will act as the resistance, the bottom will act as support. And if it breaks above the resistance, it'll be very bullish. If it breaks below, it may test this level right here where we have strong trading volume previously, and 41k is right down here, which is an extremely important level. So if it breaks the support on the triangle, it'll drop down and retest these two levels. If it breaks up above, it'll test this 46k resistance right here, this red line, and just above it in this grayish area right here, I'll move it down slightly. This right here is the bull market support band. Once it enters here, that's very, very bullish. It's got to stay there too. So let's take a look at, let's see what else. Yeah, tomorrow we have the CPI print by the Feds. We'll see how that's going to turn out. The most experts anticipate a 7.2 CPI print. And if it comes in really hot, that may pump Bitcoin, maybe, if people are hedging against inflation, or it may create some volatilities in the market. But more than likely, it'll come in around 7.2. Let's see here. On the Bollinger Band, it touched the top of the Bollinger Band, and then dropped back down, and then went sideways. So top right now is here, bottom's right here. And there's a chance that the top of the Bollinger Band may constrict down to meet the price as it consolidates. Let's go to the bottom indicators. We have KDJ. The white J line is currently below the blue K and the red D line. But so that's bearish because it's below currently, but it's trending upward. So that makes it bullish. Bullish trending, bearish status. On the MACD, the white MACD line up here is currently above the red signal line, but it's flattening out. It's also on the top upper range. So here's the whole range. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. Top's right there. Bottom, top. It's trading at the top. It's curving at the top of the range. This is currently bullish, but it's bearish trending because you can see the histogram bars getting shorter and shorter and getting darker in color, getting more gray, and then it could soon flip reddish, which is bearish histogram bars. But like this here, you can see it flipped bearish just for a few bars and then went back up. That could happen too. Or I could do this, more bearish for a longer period of time. Based on the current trend, it could probably turn bearish just for a short period, unless something massive happens. On the KDJ, that's why I have the bear here and the bull here. Bearish status, bullish trend. On the MACD, it's up on the upper range of bullish status, and it could trend sideways or slightly downward, which is bearish trending or sideways trending. Down below, we have the red RSI right here, the aqua CVD, and the white momentum indicator. All three are currently trending in the last several 8-hour periods. So that's bullish, but you could also think about where they are in their range. So here's the bottom of the range. Here's the top of the range. They're near the top of the range. So what could happen? They could go near the top and drop slightly back down. Like, let me go back here. So here, they're in the top, and they could go sideways a little bit or trending down, and they may go down slightly and then back up. That could happen, or they could stay at the top for a little bit longer. Let's see where, so yeah, right here they stay, not really, they drop here. So let me see here. Oops, I think I moved it. There we go. Yeah, so they could trend up to the top and stay there for a little bit before they start to trend down. So that's something to keep in mind. So right now it's bullish as far as the current condition, but you want to be mindful that it could crab sideways or trend down because it's at near the top of the ranges. It may take a few periods, but that could happen. So that's something for you to look out for. I hope this Quickie is, oh yeah, the other thing I want to show you is the price volume, the volume to price levels right here. It's currently trading right here. This doesn't have a lot of trading volume based on previous history. You see it? You see how it's really low right here? That's where the price is. There's not a lot of action here. So what could happen here is, because there's not a lot of trading volumes historically in this time frame, from here, this is the 1219 till now. So it could just crab here for a bit, or it could go back down and test these price levels here where there are more action, or it could go up slightly. There's not much up here either. There's not a lot of trading volume up here either. So I expect it to crab a little bit. So that's important to know about these price volume levels. I hope that added value for you with this 8-hour Quickie chart on TradingView. Appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next video later today. Remember, if this added value, go ahead and smash the like, ring my bell, and hit subscribe. Peace.